To make the active panel stay in place when raised or lowered, you will need to adjust the tension springs in the balance box. Begin by raising the balance box to its highest position. Use a drill to loosen the bolts on top of the mount. Loosening the bolts releases the tension in the springs. Run the drill for 5 to 10 seconds on each bolt to maintain balance. To test the tension, lower the active panel and let go. If it comes back up, more adjustment is needed. Continue loosening the bolts for 5 to 10 seconds and pulling the panel down to test your progress. If the panel drifts down on its own, there is still too much tension in the springs and you should continue loosening. Try only 3 to 5 seconds per side when it drifts slower. Continue this until the panel holds its position when pulled all the way down, all the way up, and in the middle. If the panel falls to the lowest position and you cannot raise it, too much tension has been released and you should tighten the springs completely and start the loosening process again. When you can pull the panel down and it stays in place without falling or drifting up, you have successfully balanced the tension. Our support site is always here whenever you need assistance. Browse the product pages or do a search to find specific articles and videos to help answer your questions anytime. Thank you for watching.